What's up, guys? Circle K, you already know. So I just picked up this sweet $20 bicycle, a yard sale thingy. I don't know, but it's actually not bad. Okay, it's the DK ratchet. Let me get it out here. It's got new tires. It's like relatively brand new. Feels pretty good to ride, actually. No kickstand, but I don't need a kickstand. Let's just think about it. Here's the bike. So, yeah. I'm just gonna put you in my pocket. Hopefully my phone doesn't go flying in it. It will be a little bit to this side, but I think footage should be pretty fine. Yeah, it's a little bit shaky and stuff, but really it's fine. I can't adjust the seat because I don't have a big enough Allen key. I'll give you guys a bad viewing experience. So I look like I don't even know. I look stupid though. Alright, anyways, there's a scooter. Just going up the hill. Feels actually not so bad. I'm gonna hit that jump later in the video. Before we hit the jump, I'm gonna hit the stairs real quick. The seat feels a little bit weird. You know, I couldn't adjust it, so I'm way down here, and yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but alright, here I go. That wasn't bad. That was not bad. Now, I don't know how to do a wheelie. If I did, I would on video. That's what I'm trying to learn. I'm gonna post a series in YouTube Shorts. Day 1 of learning how to wheelie. Until I can wheelie. So yeah. So sitting down could be a little rough uphill. Off-road. But the road is completely fine. Alright. So now I'm gonna hit my makeshift jump. It's one of those things at park trailers. My grandpa gave it to me. So yeah, here we go. That was rough. That was rough. Woo-wee. Oh my gosh. Hit my knee a little bit. You need a breather real quick. Whoa, hit my knee. I also never showed something on camera, which is my other bike. I have the montage of me riding the red bike. Got it for $7 at Goodwill. Just needed to inflate the tires. That was good, and I thought, this is too good to be true. $7. Good bike. Well, it turns out it was too good to be true. Because if I ride to the backyard here, you can see my brother's working on his bike right now. As you can see, it was too good to be true. Too off the tire. Tried to put it on. His tires are right over there. But about a month after having it, the chain just winds down. Now it lies here. So it was too good to be true. Here's the tire. So that bike. As you can see, my brother's working on his bike. This one's never been on camera. Makes weird noises. This is the video. This bike was in the video that I did. He filmed it. Props to the cameraman. I'm not going to show him on camera because he wished to not be seen. Anyways, this is the bike in the level 1 jump versus level 3 jump. Anyways, oh, sorry about that. Oh, crap. Bike fell. I fell. Ah, damn. Didn't end well. Whew. My God. Wow. Oh. I'm gonna wheel it out here. Whoa. Yeah, my knee's starting to hurt now. First it was a jump, now this. Woo-wee. I think I'll be fine though. Here's my scooter right here. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna do just a quick little bang session on the scooter for you guys real quick. Just park my bike right there. Ooh. There's that way a little bit. Can you see that? I think I know. Again. Camera mount. I'm just using my pocket. Just got you guys in my pocket right now. This scooter, I got this for Christmas. Alright. There we go. On the staircase. I want to go down the staircase, go all the way around there, around the curb, go down there, jump down here. I should probably just jump down there and go back to get the bike. Are you ready? Oh, I'm going slow. I rode my scooter in a couple of days. I don't know how loud that was on camera, but I bet it was probably pretty loud. Quick stop. Alright. Back to the bike. So it's fairly a good bike. There's minor issues. Actually, no, I haven't found any issues with it yet. But yeah, the only really sign of old is there's a little bit of rusting down here. It's yellow right there. There's signs of rust. So yeah, it's a good bike. Not for off-road, but like on the road, that's a good bike. Say, BMX bike right here. All right. Yeah. It's a good bike. It brakes really well. Anyways, here I am. In case you want to go to the junk in the trunk, which is where I got this, which is a big yard sale. It's in Oxford, Florida, Sumter County. Yeah, I am. So yeah. All right. Have a good one.